How to trade on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to trade on Robinhood app. So in order to trade on Robinhood app, first thing first, check your internet connection and then open up your application or log into your Robinhood account. So in my case, I'm using a web browser. If you're using an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So all you need to do is just open up your web browser. On the web address bar, type in robinhood.com, and this is going to take you to the official web page. So here you need to go ahead and tap the login button and then enter in your information. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't be available, so I'm just gonna instruct you, so follow the instruction. In order to trade on Robinhood app, first of all you'll need to go to the stocks detail page. So basically you'll have to look for the cryptocurrencies that is actually available on Robinhood app, and after that you need to select trade, and once you select trade, you'll need to go ahead and tap the buy or just buy if you don't want to currently own the stock. After that, in the buy section, select either dollar or shares. After you're done selecting the currency type, next you need to select and review the orders and confirm that all the details are correct or selected. Now if it looks good, then select the buy button. Make sure that you've already linked your bank account or that you've already added a payment method. Only then you'll be able to buy on Robinhood. So in that way you can trade on Robinhood app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.